Good morning class. Today I am taking class 6 and we will learn computers. Today we will talk about what a computer is. If we see the definition, computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device that follows users' instructions and performs various tasks. Okay. Now we recite this definition one more time. And computer is an electronic device that follows users' instructions and performs various tasks. Now we will look at the parts of computer. Computer basically have three main parts. First is input, second is process, and third is output. Any computing device works on this particular principle, like first it takes input, then it processes, and then it gives you some output. If you look at the simple device, like say a simple calculator. A simple calculator works in this fashion only. In input phase, like we provide 2 and 3, the input, the data, and then we give it a processing, that is 2 plus 3, and then we will get the result or the output. So, this is the actual working process of a computer. Now, we will talk about some input devices that are being used in computers. If you think of input devices, two names struck our mind. Number one is the keyboard and second is mouse. These two are called standard input devices. These are standard input devices. Okay? Their main work is to provide values and data for processing. After this input, we get processing. For processing, we have CPU, that is central processing unit, that you have learned in previous classes. After that, we will have output. Now, the famous output devices are, number one, that is monitor, okay, that you know as a screen, and next you have printer. Monitor and printer. These two are known as standard output devices. Okay, so since what we have learned, computer is comprised of three basic parts: input, process, output. In input, we have two standard input devices, keyboard and mouse. For processing, we have CPU, and for output, we have standard output devices such as monitor and printer. Other than these devices, there are many input output devices are available. Let us discuss them. If we talk about more input devices, there could be a camera, a digital camera which clicks photos, and a microphone which is used to record the voice. Okay, keyboard, mouse, standard input devices. Other than, we have camera, microphone, scanner, and so many are there. So, we will write etc., etc. And the same fashion, if we come here for output devices, we have two standard output devices, monitor and printer. After that, what else we can have? We can have plotter. Now, what is a plotter? Plotter is a device which plots big images. It's a big form of printer. Like plotter is there, or you can say speaker. Speaker is also an output device which gives us output as sound waves, okay, and etc. Many others are there, but we are sticking to these basics. After this input output, let us talk what are processing devices and structure of a processing unit. Okay. If we talk about processing, I just told you processing is done by CPU. We call it Central Processing Unit. We call it Central Processing Unit. CPU is formed of various other parts. One is ALU and other is CU. ALU and CU. The full forms of ALU is arithmetic and logical unit, and CU is control unit. Okay. So, now we know that that CPU is divided in two parts, ALU arithmetic logical unit and CU, that is control unit. Now, after we learn basic organization of a computer, let us discuss the functions of a computer. What are its functions? Why we use computer? Functions. Number one, we use, first of all, when we use computer, the first thing that comes in our mind is to use internet. We can use internet with the help of computer.